In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kling AI Motion Control. By the end, you'll know how to take a still character image and bring it to life using a reference motion, either from your own clip or from Kling's built-in motion library. Start by heading to the Kling AI site and logging into your account. Make sure your plan includes credits because motion control generation requires them. If you're unsure, check your credit balance before you begin so you don't get interrupted mid-creation. Once you're in, click Generate to open the creation workspace. From here, choose Motion Control. This mode is designed to map a motion performance onto your character image, so you get smooth, believable movement without manual keyframing. Next, add a video of the character actions you want to mimic. If you already have a motion clip, upload it here. Short, clear clips with a single subject and minimal background clutter usually track best. If you don't have your own, open the motion library. Browse through the available options and pick a motion that matches the vibe you're going for. Walks, dances, gestures, and more. When you find one you like, click it to select it. The system will load that motion as your reference. Now it's time to add your character. You can upload a new image, or if you've generated images in Kling before, click History and reuse one you've already created. For best results, choose a high-resolution image with the subject clearly visible, good lighting, and minimal obstructions. Full or three-quarter body images generally produce more natural movement than tight close-ups. Once you see the image you want, click it to select, then click Confirm to lock in your choice. Before generating, you can choose the video quality. Higher quality typically gives crisper detail and smoother output, but it may use more credits and take longer to render. Pick the level that fits your needs and timeline. When you're ready, click Generate. Kling will process the motion and apply it to your character. You'll see a progress indicator while it renders. If the first result isn't quite what you pictured, don't worry, that's normal with motion transfer. Try a different motion from the library, use an image with a cleaner background, or slightly adjust your input choices to improve the outcome. That's it. You've just used Kling AI Motion Control to animate a static character with a chosen performance. Experiment with different motions and characters to discover what works best for your style, and enjoy bringing your ideas to life.